Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you never miss our updates. Today, we're diving into a revolutionary way to boost your health right from the comfort of your own home. Hyperbaric Oxygen Therapy, or HBOT for short. And yes, it's as cool as it sounds. Hyperbaric oxygen therapy involves breathing pure oxygen in a specially designed chamber like this one. It's a game changer for anyone looking to enhance their health, recover faster, and even improve cognitive functions. Benefits of hyperbaric chambers. 1. Increases circulation. 2. Decreases inflammation. 3. Reduces pain. 4. Boosts immune function. Imagine speeding up your body's natural healing process, reducing inflammation, and waking up feeling refreshed every day. That's the power of increased oxygen. When you enter the chamber, the increased pressure allows your lungs to gather more oxygen, which then circulates throughout your body, reaching areas that are usually hard to penetrate. Owning your own chamber means you can use it at your convenience. No appointments, no travel, just pure health benefits whenever you need them. Ready to transform your health? Visit InnovTherapies.com today to find out more about our hyperbaric chambers. Check out the link in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might benefit from hyperbaric chambers. Thank you for watching, and here's to your health. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. See you in the next video.